Welcome to Ada Computer Science, the free learning platform for computing teachers and students. This website provides many resources you can trust, tools to aid learning, and it's available for both teachers and students. This video will walk you through creating your Ada Computer Science account. To create an account with Ada Computer Science, go to the Sign Up menu. You're presented with a number of options that you can use to sign up. You can either create an account with your email or choose to log in with a Raspberry Pi Foundation or Google account if you have one of those already. Let's have a look at how you register with your email. Click on that button. The next question is whether you are a student or a teacher. The sign-up process is pretty much the same. However, a student and a teacher have different rights on the platform. Essentially, a teacher account allows you to create groups and invite students. But note that a teacher account does not have access to the answers to the questions. So I'm going to go ahead and choose I am a teacher. The form that you're presented with asks you to fill in a first name, a last name, email address, a password that must be at least 8 characters long, your country. Now bear in mind a lot of the content on Ada is specific to exam boards in the UK. You'll notice that those countries are up at the top. Start typing in your school name if you have one. It will pre-fill it. However, if you're not associated with the UK school, you can just tick this box. And then finally, there is a question to choose your gender. You will need to accept your terms and conditions to tick this box. And then the email address you filled in here will receive an email from Ada in a few minutes with a link to verify your email address. Once you have clicked the link and logged into the site with your email and password, you will be presented with a dialogue explaining the key steps you need to do to make the most of your teacher account. Once you've created your account and logged in, you will see an onboarding list with the steps you need to take to get started with Ada CS. This area will disappear once you complete these 4 steps. Create your account, personalise your content, create a student group, and assign a quiz to students. After you've completed these steps, you will be presented with your main dashboard here whenever you log into Ada.